In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive app on Android. By the end, you'll have Google's cloud storage app ready to go, and you'll understand exactly what it can do for you. First, let's get the app from the official source. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. This is the app with the multicolored triangle. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Google Drive. In the results, look for Google Drive, Cloud Storage by Google. You'll recognize it by the familiar triangular drive icon and the developer listed as Google. Tap it to open the app page, then tap Install. The download will begin right away. You'll see a progress bar as it downloads and installs. This can take a moment depending on your internet speed. When it finishes, tap Open to launch the app. Here's a quick tip before we go further. On many Android phones, Google Drive is already pre-installed. If you see the Drive icon in your app list, you can open it directly and skip downloading. If you don't see it, installing from the Play Store as we just did is the official and safest method. Now, what can Google Drive do for you? Drive stores your files, photos, and videos in the cloud so they're safe and easy to find. It can back up important phone data so you're protected if you switch devices or lose your phone. It also makes sharing simple. You can send a file to someone or give them view-only access. And because everything is in the cloud, you can access your files from any device where you're signed in. One more practical benefit is freeing up space on your phone. Once files are safely uploaded, you can remove local copies to reclaim storage. A quick and important tip: make sure you're using the correct Google account. In both the Play Store and in Drive, check the profile icon in the top right. If you use more than one account, confirm it's the one where you want your files to live. This helps keep personal, school, or work files organized in the right place. If the app ever takes a while to download, try connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure you have enough storage on your device for the installation. That's it. You've opened the Play Store, found Google Drive, Cloud Storage by Google, installed it, waited for it to finish, and tapped Open. You're ready to store, back up, share, and access your files anytime, anywhere.